This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a Target haul. So, today the Halloween costumes were 70% off, and the candy was 50% off. So, me and my kiddies went to Target and took advantage of the deal. So all of the costumes were $9. This is the costume of my 4-year-old. She's going to be Batgirl. This is a LOL surprise. This is for my 7-year-old. He loves LOL. This is for Cora. She's a superwoman. This is so cute. Then I have Noah. He was the most difficult. Like, he wasn't even trying to look. He was like, he all gave up. Like, oh, I don't see nothing that I want. I'm like, are you sure? Did you check this aisle? Did you check this rack? So it was his dad that ended up finding him. This costume. Ninja Turtles. He absolutely, and he loves Ninja Turtles, so he was so happy. It's the yellow one. Then I have these hats for 90 cents each. So I bought 2 purple ones. These were 90 cents. I'm gonna put this one that kind of goes on what I have on. This one was $3. Yeah. This one was $3. So I bought 3 of them for the girls. Because Noah's costume came with a mask and, you know. Boy. Some Skittles. Let me see what this has in there. I'm looking for the ingredients to make sure it doesn't have no bread. It doesn't say. It says it's gluten-free and gelatin-free. Yay! I'm gonna have one. Well, I'm gonna have one off camera with us. So these were a $1 and change. Skittles. And then Cora loves Dum Dum. So these were $2.94. These are Dum Dums, and they come I don't know how many comes, but yeah. It says there's no peanuts, no tree nuts, no milk, no eggs, no fish, no shellfish, no wheat, no gluten. So dum-dums are basically vegan. That's cool. That's a fun fact I didn't know. Oh, this is the cake to Bad Girl. This is her cake. Let me get my receipt. So I bought milk, almond milk, and I bought fruit because we were running low. So I bought bananas, and I bought oranges, and I bought apples, and I bought pears, and I think that's it. Oh, and I bought the lemonade. So my total came out to $112.97, and it's so crazy because I only budgeted to spend $150. Like that was my max to spend $150, so I went under budget. That's the thing. I had planned on getting all the fruits and the milk and stuff and the costumes and like candy. That was the plan, and I stuck to the plan. So the Skittles were $1.34, and the Dum Dums was $2.74. Yeah, so my total was $112.97. Show you right here. Y'all see that? Yeah, $112.97. So after walking Target, I should have gotten a relief card thing, but I was feeling myself because I was able to walk. But I should have gotten a relief thing because that walking throughout the store, I'm pooped. But that concludes my Target haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, yes. Thank you for being on my live yesterday. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I love you. Bye.